Hello, what if I told you that you don't have to generate emails and send them personally to leads again? Everything will be taken over by AI. You just have to add in the lead details. Everything is taken care by AI. The AI will scrape through the business's website and generate a personalized email for the business, generate a personalized subject line for the business, and send it right over to them. And also it will generate a summary of the first email so that you can use it for sending follow-ups. This is not theory. I'll just walk you through how I made this automation and how you can set it up for yourself. This is what it should look like after you sign up to make.com. Let's start the automation. Let's create scenario. We'll do it from scratch. So first things first, you have to create a lead sheet like this, which should at least have lead name, business website, email, and a column where we'll know that the email is sent or not. So email sent, one column for that, so that we can get to know that for this lead email is sent, for this lead email is sent, and if it does not say sent, then for this lead the email is not sent. This is just for our reference that the emails are sent or not. So let's just dive right into the automation. We'll go to Google Sheets. We'll choose watch new rows. You just have to add sign in with Google and you should be good to go. Your Google account should be integrated with the make.com. You search by path from my drive. This is the Google Sheet. I am integrating it here. Lead sheet, lead sheet. Sheet name is sheet 1. And the limit should be only 1, because if the limit is more than 1, then your email could be flagged for sending spam emails, right? So we'll choose all, save. Then the next one, you have to open Google Gemini, create a completion, and to connect your Gemini with make.com, you have to first add, name this something, whatever you want. And to get the API key, you have to go to Google and search AI.studio and click get API key. Then click create API and you should be able to get your API key with you. You can copy that key and paste it here, right? So that should be connected with make.com after you get this. Mine is already integrated, so I'm not going to add another account. We'll choose 2.5 flash because it is free. Messages, role is user, parts, message type, text. Then the text is the prompt, which I have with me. This is the prompt. We'll copy this and we'll paste it. All right. So the input should be the website. This module is to generate a personalized message, a personalized thing about the lead from their website. So for Gemini to know which website to scrape, we'll map the business website from the Google Sheets to this Gemini module. So we just select business website because I named it business website. And yeah, this module is done. Then for the next module, you have to go to Gemini again for the email generation out of the personalized thing. You create completion. You go to the prompts again. You copy this This is a very big prompt, by the way. You have to copy this whole prompt, and you might be wondering what this doc type HTML is. This is HTML format. This will be converted to text when the mail will be sent to the lead. So this is the format Gemini will generate the email in. So you don't have to worry about that. While sending it to the email, this format will be normalized and it will not come like this. So we just copied it, I believe. We'll paste it here. We'll do the same 2.5 flash messages user message type text will paste it here. So this is a very big prompt. We'll first we'll first map the things from the Google Sheets, which is business name, lead name, business name, whatever you want to call it. You can add another column, business name, and another column for name. So what you can do now, I don't have any other column, so I'm just going to let this be unchanged, untouched. So what you can do is you can just go here and business name, then you can person's name, and you can map it with the column which has the person's name, and in the business name you can map it with a column which has the lead business name. So I did not map it, I did not think of it, I just directly added my name in the business name. So we will just change it to lead name. Personalized line is from this result from Gemini, because Gemini will scrape the website and it will generate a personalized thing about the website. So module 2 Gemini will map it with this. Then these are the reference emails. You can change it as per your needs. This is the whole prompt for email generation. Then we need a subject, right? So then we'll copy this prompt and we'll select Gemini again to get a completion. And if you want better results, you can do some changes in the prompts. Or if you don't like Gemini, you can choose ChatGPT also. It is just paid. This is the free version which you can start with. Text is this. We just paste it here and we map the email with it. The module which generated an email. So first one, this is the first module. This is the first module. This has the Google Sheet. This is the second module. This generates a personalized thing. This is the third module which generates a the email. You can see it here if you want. You just map it with this because we need a subject line as per the email generated, right? So that is it. This prompt can be pasted directly. So you can see which module this is. This is module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. Then there is Gmail. You have to send an email. So one thing, if you have an email which ends with @gmail.com, it's a big process. So you have to go to Google Cloud and get an client ID and client secret. You can check it out in YouTube how we can integrate our Gmail with make.com. You'll find so many videos. I have already integrated it. So this @gmail.com is integrated in my make.com. So that is one thing. Now we just map to the email from the Google Sheet. So this is the email, right? We'll just click on this. The subject will be the fourth module which generated the subject. The content will be the third module which generated the content. That is enough. If you want to stop it here, you can stop. But if you want to go a step forward, what you can do is you go to Gemini again, right? You go to Gemini again, you hit create completion. You just copy this. As we have generated an email in a HTML format, we will then convert it again to a readable format with this. So the generated email is module 3, I believe. Yeah, module 3. So this will convert the HTML formatted mail into a normal mail. Then it will give 100-word summary of the email. So it will be helpful for us in the future to send follow-ups. Then we go to router. We can name this something like a follow-up. We can name this as email sent or not. We'll connect the same sheet with this module as well. The lead name, we should not touch it. The business website also, we should not touch it. Email also, we should not touch it. So we have to look into email sent. You can hit anything. Email sent or maybe yes. That's it. That's all we have to do in this module. This is to have a record if the emails are sent or not.
Okay, so there is one correction which we need to do. You delete this module. Instead of doing add a row, what you have to do is select update a row, because if you add a row, the message will be like this. So it will be problematic. I'm so sorry, it's my mistake, but let's just solve it quickly. Instead of adding a row, we need to update a row. We'll go here, lead sheet. We select the sheet name as it is. The row number will be the row number from this Google Sheet. The lead name will be as it is. The email sent in the email sent, we just have to hit send. That is one error which you can resolve by yourself. I'm so sorry for the mistake again. Bye bye.
Then in the follow-up one, what we have to do is we'll go ahead and create another Google Sheet. We'll name the same. We'll just copy this. We have the lead name, we have the business website, we have the email. We just change this email sent to the email summary. All right. And we can add another one like a follow-up send. Color this, and this is the basic format which we can have. We can name it as follow up lead sheet. Alright, so this is what we have. Then we'll map this in the Google Sheets, add a row, search by path. We should be able to get it here. Follow up lead sheet. Yep. Sheet name is sheet 1. Then we have to map everything from the Google Sheets so that we have the name, lead name, business website, email, and email summary. We have to get it from the module 6. After the Gmail, we asked Gemini to create 100-word email summary. So we'll integrate it with this, and the first email automation is done. And to make the follow-up email, what you can do is you just connect this Google Sheet to another automation, and then you can run it whenever you want. So let's just run it once and see how this will generate. Just creating the first nice thing from my website. It is my portfolio. So this is the email. You can check it out if you want. It came out pretty well. It is not too big. It is not too small. It looks human. It does not look like it is generated by AI or it is like the email template, because there is a personalized thing about the business. So you can make this yourself. If you still have any queries about this, you can mail to the same email here. So that's how you create an email automation by yourself. Instead of wasting your time in generating personalized emails and let AI do all the heavy lifting, you can focus on scaling. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what automation I should build next. Peace.